Hi, today we'll learn how to copy animation from one rig to another in Blender. Let's start. We have these two armatures. The first one is walking and the second is running. We want to copy the running animation from the second armature to the first one. Let's do that. First, select the armature which will receive the animation. Press Shift plus select the source of animation. Press Ctrl plus L. From the pop-up menu, select Link Animation Data. Play animation to check your work. The running animation is copied to the first armature. That is all.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.